10 people living here. 10 naturally big people. The cows here are really free they really have this a bit wild energy, like this vital thing in them.
He's my friend. I love him. I brought 3 family from Toma. They are so skinny. They came here. Now they are like me, big thing.
The goal of Sadhana Forest is to live compassionately. This is the goal, to live compassionately. And if we can involve in this other people, visitors, volunteers, children with special abilities, cows, cats, whoever wants to join us, we'll be very happy. So to involve as many people in our compassionate life, you could say. That's the goal.